Boldt HVAC is an excellent choice for HVAC installation in Dakota County, Minnesota. As a trusted HVAC contractor, Boldt HVAC has built a solid reputation for delivering high-quality services, including air conditioning installation, furnace repair, and comprehensive heating and cooling system solutions. Are you looking for HVAC contractor near me? You can stop looking. You found Boldt HVAC. How important is HVAC installation? A proper HVAC installation not only guarantees that the system operates at its full potential but also helps in optimizing energy usage, leading to lower utility bills and reduced environmental impact. Having a professionally installed HVAC system from a trusted provider like Boldt HVAC ensures reliable heating during the winter and effective cooling during the summer. A well-installed HVAC system also improves indoor air quality by providing proper ventilation and filtration, contributing to a healthier living environment. What are the disadvantages of HVAC? One of the main drawbacks is the initial cost of installation, which can be high, especially for advanced systems that include both heating and cooling components. Additionally, HVAC systems require regular maintenance to ensure optimal performance, which can be time-consuming and add to ongoing costs. Working with a reliable contractor like Boldt HVAC can help mitigate many of these disadvantages by ensuring proper installation, regular maintenance, and expert care. What is your service area? Our Boldt HVAC serve the following Minnesota locations: Burnsville, Apple Valley, Farmington, Inver Grove Heights, Lakeville, Mendota Heights, Prior Lake, Rosemount, St. Paul, Savage, South St. Paul, West St. Paul, Hopkins, Eden Prairie, Shakopee, Edina, Richfield, Eagan, Minnesota. Where is your Boldt HVAC office located? We are located at 860 Blue Gentian Road, Suite 200, Eagan, Minnesota 55121, United States. Our phone number is 651-300-6145. Visit our website, https://www.bobhvac.com/.